Hi guys, this is your midweek food update, and instead of predicting the market, let's break down the possible scenarios like a pro trader. First, quick fundamental view. Right now, because of Iran-Israel situation, there is a temporary ceasefire for around 2 weeks. So what does that mean? Short-term volatility in gold may reduce, but this can change any time if no news comes. So do not depend only on fundamentals. Now let's come to the charts. On the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows. That means short-term gold is showing bullish trend. But here the important part. When you zoom out to the daily chart, price is still in a recovery phase after a strong drop. So overall trend is not fully bullish yet. This is where most beginners get trapped. Now let's talk about scenarios. First scenario, bullish scenario. If price continues holding this structure, there is liquidity sitting above recent highs. So gold can push higher to grab that liquidity. Scenario second, pullback first. Before moving up, price may come down to fill imbalance or take liquidity below. This is very common in gold. So what should you do? Don't chase the market. Wait for confirmation which price comes to your zone and then take entry. And most important, more fundamental news can come anytime. So direction can change very fast. Trade with discipline, manage your risk and stay patient. Follow for more simple and smart trading breakdowns. See you in the next update.